Hey, welcome to the CS61B final project goal points video created by Vamashi and Yathan. This project was basically to create your own 2D game. One of the specifications was that the world had to have rooms and hallways that were generated based on a pseudo-random order, based on a seed that the user would provide. Along with this, the game state had to be saved and load based on user progress so that the player could save his progress. And a heads-on display that would display the tile names based on the mouse hover. Along with adhering to these specifications, our project also had a few special creative features. One of which was that once the player would complete the first world, another world would be generated that wouldn't be based on the specifications. Along with that, we added the ability to increase or decrease the vision of the whole map to maybe adjust the difficulty. And we added water tiles that would basically percolate through all the tiles that the avatar could walk on otherwise. And if the player is surrounded by those water tiles, then he basically loses the game. And we added treasures, which is the main point of the game, to collect all the treasures. If any of the treasures are stepped on in an incorrect order, the whole world resets. We shall go into the project now. And yeah, that's the project. It's called the treasure game. You could either open a new game, load a previous game, or quit the game. Let's try opening a new game. It asks for the seed for the pseudo randomly generated world. Let's try something kind of abstract. We input the seed and we start the game. So that's our first world. As you can see, you can hover your mouse to see the exact tile names, the floor, the wall. This is considered a room, the hallways that connect the rooms. Yeah, let's try playing the game now. I can control the avatar based on the WASD keys. I get through the whole world, and that is the hidden treasure to complete the first world. It's pretty straightforward, but the second one takes it up a notch, I would say. That's the second world. You can move around. It's a small screen. You can't see everything, but you have the ability to adjust the difficulty by making the map larger. Those are the 3 treasures that you can see that you have to collect. The order of these treasures is generated in a random order. You can go ahead, try to collect these. And as you can see, the water is coming right next to you. And if you end up stepping inside this water, well, then you drown. And that's how you lose the game. Let's try running it again. And maybe, hopefully, we figure out how to win the game this time. We put in a new seed. We get through the first world. That's the hidden treasure. Let's just start off with the easier vision. So, these 3 tiles are created in a random order. We have to find the right order to step on them. If we don't step on the tiles in the right order, the whole game will reset, and we'll have to pretty much do this whole world again. Let's see. Technically, we've got the key over here. 0 corresponds to the red tile, 1 maps to the yellow tile, and 2 maps to the green tile. So technically, we should win the game if we step on the yellow tile first, followed by the red tile, followed by the green tile. Let's try to see how this works. And as expected, we didn't drown and we win the game. That was good. Let's try to play it again and see what happens if we end up stepping on the wrong tile. We put in another seed. Oh, that's an easy world. We get through that. Now we know the order is 201. We should first step on the green tile, followed by the red tile, followed by the yellow tile. Thankfully, we're super close to the red tile, and we can only encounter the issue once we step on the red tile. And as expected, the game resets, and we have to collect the tiles again. Now we at least know that the red tile isn't the first one that we have to step on. So we'll try to step on either of the green tile or the yellow tiles before the water catches up to us. And this is not looking good for us. I guess we're gonna get eaten up before anything happens. Oh no, we drowned. And that's it. That's our game. I hope you guys liked it.